Welcome to August. You probably saw just a little clip from yesterday, but I forgot to introduce the August vlogs. Today's just gone by in a whirl. I've done so many chores and work and social media stuff, and I'm a bit sick of it just being so constant. But I just have to keep going because I've got all these things to do and I've got to get them done. Hey, Ginge. Hi, Dukes. Hi, Molly. Oops. What is it? Hi, Ginge. Hey, hi. Breakfast? Zoe. So I bought Zoe a new toy today and I'm hoping she likes it. So it is this suction cup rope ball toy, and apparently they're meant to be able to just pull on it with a lot of force without it coming off. So I'm hopeful that this will work. Let's see how she reacts to it. Hi, Zoe. Come in. Oh, we had a snip. Whoops! I forgot to shut the gate! Ah! Idiot! Zoe? Are you allowed up here, miss? I was silly. Forgot. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, what's this? What's this? Oh. What? I will bite this end. This will give me the toy. We've come up to my Auntie Marilyn and Uncle Pete's place. They've got beautiful gardens. Just made myself dinner. Obviously the dinner police are around. 'Tis mummies! Gosh, this thing was frustrating to put together. Finally, I've decided that's gonna do. Like, that one's good. That one will just have to do. It will not go any further. The chair is stupid. And that one's fine, and that one's fine. But that one, I hate you, and you've caused me a lot of pain tonight. A lot of turmoil. But otherwise, the chair's complete, so yeah. I can't be bothered taking it back over one screw not really wanting to go in. Oh my god, I think this is loaded! Yes! I'm gonna play! I'm gonna have so much fun! Oh, I can't do it because I'll cry and ruin my makeup. This next time's totally gonna be it. Are we good? This is what laying in bed is like. Yeah. I feel loved when she decides to sit next to me and put herself up against my leg. So 5 days ago, I bought this new chair. I thought it would be great to replace the one that's getting very, very old, but it has an incredible angle on the back, which makes it so that whenever I want to work at my keyboard, I have to be sitting like this to work at my computer, and you can see there's this massive gap back here, and then when I do relax, it's like, whoa, really far back. It's just not great. It doesn't feel like the one felt in the store. So I'm gonna try and return it. I might not have any luck. I might be stuck with it. Maybe I've got to get cushions to make it comfortable. I don't know, but I'll just see whether they'll let me return it or not. They let me return it. They've given me an exchange card. I have cut it too close to close to decide tonight. I don't want to make a spur of the moment decision, and I want to be completely happy with my decision. So I've taken the exchange card. I will come back, look into it, figure out which one I want to get, how much more money I want to spend. The same chair they had on display feels much different to the one that I got. I don't know, I might get that one again, or I might get one of the more expensive ones, but time to go home. Today I'm up early and I am craving some salmon and some eggs, so I'm gonna do myself a different breakfast. Ta-da! Complete with V8 juice. I just saw those two ducks down there come riding down the duck-sized rapids over there, and it was just adorable. It's like they're having the time of their lives. So I just got the chair inside. I'm sitting in it now at my desk. So comfortable. So I'm glad I still feel like this, because it's really disappointing when something seems one way in the store and then you get it home and it's another way. The benefit of buying floor stock was it is what it is and I don't have to assemble it myself. So luckily I put my seats down in my hatchback, so threw it in there, well, not literally, I had someone help me lift it in gently and then got home and just wheeled it into my office, and I just had to sit in my old chair. It just feels like a million times better than the old one there. So I'm happy now. Yay! So now I've got my headset, my gaming chair. Does that make me officially a gamer? I mainly bought the chair to be able to do office work, but I will game in it, and it can tilt backwards if I'm like feeling like, oh yeah, well let's recline. Let's just, you know, chill out here and recline back and do some gaming. There's so many adjustments on this one, and it's just really comfy. Especially the lumbar pillow, it's a lot wider, and this one just by far felt like the best. And it did cost me quite a bit more than the first one, but it would be well worth it in the long run. And it's tax deductible, so there's that bonus as well. Let me show you in the mirror. Okay, so here's the chair. Obviously I'm leaning back in it at the moment, but if I scooch myself a little bit, I just feel like I can sort of sit, still having some sort of pressure on my back from that pillow, and work with it, like rather than the other one where it was so far back. Even if I'm sitting bolt upright, I'm not that far to just go like that. Really like it. Got this mesh back on it. Yay, success! I just found a patch of ringworm on Ginge, and it's been 2 weeks of treating them now. Shouldn't it be clearing up, like, rather than him getting it? I just don't really understand. Molly's seems like 1% better than it was. I'm just worried that the last 2 weeks of treatment have been a waste and it's not working. I don't know what to do. I called up the vet today, and they just basically said we leave it, like we do 3 weeks of treatment, 21 days, and then we see where they're at. So, but it's not looking like in a week's time it's gonna be gone, you know, like, yeah, you can stop treatment. So looks like we're in this for an even longer haul than I was hoping for. So, well, they've been with me for like 2 months now. What's another month or 2? This is one of the best toys because it's actually holding up to all her chewing. It's new toy time. Don't know that this one's going to last very long. It's only meant for light play. But she might like it and not ruin it. Here you go. What do you reckon? Yeah, you have that one? We've got to take it out to the grass, I think, to induct it into the toys. Show it that this is her backyard. Here we go. I kind of wanted to watch her playing with it to make sure, like, I noticed if anything suddenly ripped or started getting eaten. I should have shut the door before I gave it to her so she couldn't bring it out here. I think she's wrecked it already. Yep. What a mess. That was short-lived. She's chewed off a lot of the plastic, maybe ingested some. Who would have a clue if that's all of it or not? The only thing I can really do now is chop off what remains of the plastic and see if this is salvageable, but it's probably for the bin again. I mean, I've got to learn my lesson. I can't buy this sort of toy for her. It's not good enough. She needs really, really tough ones. She was just eating this receipt. I cannot win. I think it was only for like bread and milk, so luckily this one wasn't an important one for taxes. Good deal. Wait, let me get it. Here you go. Almost took my fingers off. Doesn't this seem like something out of like a horror film? I just turn this black and white. Try this again, maybe. Yeah, new toy! Woo! What do you think? Look at it, new rope for you. This one's rated a 5, that other one was rated a 1, so 5 means tougher, so. Hi, baby girl. Nope, nope. Okay. Okay. Yeah, well, she was going to then, but. Oh. Oh, is that a bit scary?